Hi everyone, Crystal back with a video. Today I'm going to be sharing a secret Cupid swap that is hosted by Rachel Tallman. I will link her channel for you guys down below. But she invited a group of, I don't know how many there are total of us. Can't remember. But a group of ladies to do a 14-day swap. And so the list included 14 things, and you can either stay on the list, like follow the list, or make something similar to what was on the list. So anyways, I wanted to share with you guys what I created. Number one is a card, which that's the only thing left that I have to create. So I don't know if I was gonna do a store-bought or a handmade. I'm most likely gonna do a handmade card just because I don't know, it's just more special. But number two was a memory decks card. And so because I'm like extra and I don't know how to just make one of something, I made this box. And it, again, I don't know if I mentioned, but I'm using crepe paper all heart for this swap because there's no Valentine's papers, you guys. I don't know if it was just me, but there weren't any new like Valentine's collections this year. So I don't know, I had to use what I had in my stash. So I used crepe paper all heart, which after creating with it, I'm like, this isn't really like a Valentine's collection. It's kind of whimsical, but I don't know. Anyways, I try to make it work. So that's what I used. And I used Amber's tutorial, Bambi Deer, on YouTube. I will link her tutorial for this also down below. It's a 3-compartment box, and so what I did was I just followed her tutorial to the T. And the only difference that I did to my box is I made a handle, just because I was having a hard time like picking it up and stuff. I'm not really a hard time, but it was just a struggle to like pick up. It was just weird. So I added a handle to mine. That's the only difference I did there. I did a little cluster here. I did some paper ruffling to the front, and then I did add or use some of this Dollar Tree, what is this, foam, snow, not foam, but it's like a snow tool. That's what I did there. I layered it onto the paper and then did the ruffling from there, and then I stitched it. And then I did just a little ephemera cluster using chipboard and some of the ephemera pieces. So that's that. And then you open it up, and it has 3 compartments. So instead of making 1 memory decks, I made 3. So this is the first one I made, and this was totally inspired by my friend Adriana Alvarez. She showed that she made some of these, and I kind of just tweaked mine just a little bit, and I welded the base, and then I just kind of layered from there. This is a box. It's empty. I still have to fill it, which I will do after this video. I just wasn't sure what I was going to fill it with, but I just used some ephemera pieces from the collection, stickled the flower. This is a roller skate from Hobby Lobby, and then I just stitched the ephemera pieces there. So there's that first one. And then the second one is I did a clear acetate. Not a clear, but it's like that iridescent acetate. And I did a sequence mix using a bunch of sequins from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. I love her sequins. It's so pretty. Makes your projects pop. And I just did a bunch of layering here from the like enamel sticker sheet, and then the chipboards, ephemera. This was just an extra piece I had in my stash from Hobby Lobby, I think it was. And so that's for the second one. And then the third one I made also into a shaker, but this one is using vellum. That's what I did there, and I just layered a bunch of different ephemera pieces. And then here I have some dangles that I created and added to this chipboard piece. Then I made a heart rosette using one of the rosettes that my friend Jess Bits and Pieces gave me. And so I turned it into a heart by just die cutting on top of it. And so I love how that one turned out. Super cute. So that is my memory decks. I know it's more than I think what you're required to do, but I just wanted, I don't know how to make one of something and be happy, you know? I have to like make a set or something. So anyways, that's number 2. Number 3 is a sequence mix. We were supposed to make a sequence mix. Mine is in here. I'm not going to open it anymore, but it's one of those 5-tier, like round twist on compartments. And so I just filled 3 of them with sequins, and then the 2 I filled with some beads. So that is number 3. And then I just did a little cluster here and housed it in this like candy type candy compartment using the We Are Memory Keepers pillow box, or not pillow box. I am so all over the place. Candy box. So that's number 3. Number 4 is a tea or hot chocolate. Whatever they prefer. My partner likes tea, so I just didn't want to give her you know, just a box of tea. So I made her a tea, I don't know, a tea, what do you call this? A tea dispenser. So I just filled it with a bunch of just a bunch of tea. I think this is Passion. I think it is from, yeah, from Target, I believe is where I got it. But yeah, I filled the entire thing with tea, and she could just pull it out when she is ready for a cup. And then I also included a cup which is wrapped up, or a mug which is wrapped up, so she will be getting that as well. So that is number 3. Number 4. Number 5 is a 3D project, which mine looks like this. It's a 3D hot air balloon. It's super hard to show, but it is a hot air balloon. I've been dying to try this cut file. I have yet to do a banner still. I'm still going to do the banner, but it's pretty much done. Looks like this. And then I'm going to fill this part here with candy in there. So that's what she will have in there. And then here's the little cluster I did for the front. And then the side, I just put this trim from Michael's. So, and then I did this tulle bow to each side. And so that is my 3D project. It's so huge and it's so difficult to show, but that is number 5. Number 6 is a tag flip, which I already showed in a previous video, so I'm not going to go into detail, but that is what I made for my partner, was this tag flip. Okay, number 7 is candy, chocolate, food, or treat. Mine is just housed in here. And I got this box from the Dollar Tree, and I have some gummies in there and some strawberry cream and white fudge. So that is what's in there. That is for my candy, chocolate, or food treat. Number 8 is a tassel charm, etc. I made her this chunky charm dangle, and it has some charms, some beads from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. And then I got these beads recently from Happy Little Corner, Rhoda. I mean, it's just so chunky. Look at it. It's so pretty and Valentine's-y, and I love it. Then I made her another one. This one's just a little ribbon tassel one that I'm going to include and package this up all cute. Just wanted to record this video already to get it out. Number 9 is a self-care item. Everybody was going goo goo gaga over these containers from the Dollar Tree, so that's how I packaged mine. It looks like this. Inside has some fluffy socks, cozy socks. I don't know if you can see through the container, but it says Cozy Wishes. And then I also made this bow that was inspired by Disco Dolly. She's been making these, so I wanted to make one too. And then on the inside also has this is a hand sanitizer like container, and so I just thought it was so cute. It's like a cupcake, and then on the bottom has the hand sanitizer. So that's that. Super cute. I love how that one turned out. And that is the self-care item. Number 10 is a purchased paper crafting goodie, which this is mine, you guys. My partner likes to watch like Hallmark and all those things, like the Hallmark Channel and all like romantic movies. So I'd rather be watching Hallmark movies. This was just on a plain canvas bag that I found at Ross, and I just decided to alter it, and I ironed on some of this vinyl. Iron-on vinyl, and then inside just has all the Lucky Us goodies. It's by Pink Paisley, Lucky Us. So that's the entire collection. I did 12 by 12, sticker sheet, sticker sheet, 6 by 8. In there is the washi pack that goes with it, the coordinating washi, and in there also has ephemera. And this bow I got last year during Easter, so I added it to there. Okay, that is the purchased paper crafting goodie. Handmade rosette. I just made one set because I don't know. I don't know if you're supposed to make several or one, but I just did one, and it's housed in this super cute sequin shaker like envelope. Looks like this. So cute. I love making these. These are so fun. And then these are the rosettes that I made. So I did like a heart rosette, and then I did a heart crepe paper in the back to kind of layer it. And I just love how this turned out. It's so stinking cute. And yeah, I hope she likes it. Again, using some ephemera pieces from the All Heart collection. So that was a handmade rosette. Shaker sequin embellishment. So for that I made these here, and I made 5 of these. So these are so cute, and it's a sequence shaker heart that I made. So I made these 2. Something fell off. What was it? No. Oh my gosh, I gotta find whatever the heck fell off, but I think it was a sticker of some sort. But anyways, there's this one. And then there's this one. Hey girl, hey. And then this one that says good days. It couldn't be this because I already have XOXO. What the heck was it? Oh my God, I gotta figure it out. But anyways, there's that. I'm gonna leave that one out so I can fix it. I need to still package that. And then I made these. And these are using, again, some of the ephemera. This is some chipboard I had in my stash. Ephemera, layered it, and made this shaker embellishment because, I don't know, I still need to add the tag for it, the string. But I just don't know what else to make with this collection. I kind of struggled with it a bit, but I hope she likes it. And I did some wrapping of this fabric trim stuff from Hobby Lobby. That's what I did there. And then I did this one. Just layered a bunch of different ephemera pieces. This piece here just says Happy Day. And this is actually from Maggie Holmes' Flourish, I believe. But yeah, that's that. And so, what else? A purchased dollar store item. So I sent her a bunch of, because she's in Florida, My partner's Carolina's Craft, but she's in Florida, and I know she doesn't have a Daiso, so I just bought a bunch of Daiso goodies for her to enjoy, and hopefully she'll like that. I don't want to show you each and everything because there's a lot in there. And number 14 was Sender's Choice. And of course, if you swap with me, I'm more than likely going to give you one of these suitcase stacks. I just love making them. They're so fun, and they're so miniature and cute. So this is how I altered this one. I just did a bunch of layering here, and then this one on the side, I layered that one as well. And I used some heart eyelets there. I mean, heart brads, actually. And then on the inside, this one's empty because I'm still finishing up what I'm putting in here. But this one in the middle has some beads that I'm sharing with her. Some of these lip beads and then heart beads in there. And then the bottom one has more beads, the XOXO beads, and then a stamp set and a glitter sequence mix. So that's what I did for 14. And I am done. That concludes my swap. I really hope she likes what I created. I struggled with it a bit, but I think I worked it out in the end. And yeah, make sure you guys go check out everybody's channels when I list it, because we're all each gonna unbox our amazing swaps. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.